Welcome back to my channel, you guys. My name is Nyjee, but everyone calls me Nyjee, so you already know you can call me Nyjee. It is spooky season. It's my favorite time of year, and today, to kick off spooky season, we are going to make this witch's brew Winetail. So if that is something you're interested in, keep on watching. So for ingredients, we're going to be using some Halloween themed candy, missing body parts, eyeballs, ears, gumballs, hands, whatever you can get your hands on. And then I'm going to be using some Bacardi rum as well. Any rum of your choice is fine. But the star of this drink today is the Stella Rosa Lux edition. Yes, this bottle should be full, but you know, I just wanted to make sure the wine was up to par. That's the only reasonable explanation I can come up with. Just some decorative red sprinkles to go on the rim of the glass. I'm going to leave all the measurements in the description, but you know, just a sensible pour of both alcoholic beverages.
2 shots of vodka.
This part is optional. I just add a little bit of ice to it just so that the wine can cool down, but I am going to be adding ice. But after I add the ice, I'm just going to give it a really good shake in the mixture, and I really do mean give it a really good shake. You really want to blend those two alcohols together. And my favorite part of doing these type of drinks is the sugar rim. I'm going to add some honey, and I'm going to take my iced glass. I just threw these in the freezer and roll them around in some honey. And don't be perfect with it, girl. It is Halloween season. Okay, roll that glass around in there. Make it look like some ooey gooey type of situation going on. So have fun, you know, roll it in there, and then we're gonna roll it in some sprinkles, and it's just gonna give the coolest effect ever. And I just thought I was better than sliced bread when I came up with this. Okay. Y'all, could you imagine if you made these for a little party? Like, they just be brought out and the little sugar rim popping and everything, you know? I just think it's a cool party trick. So when you're wandering around Walmart for things you don't need, go in the Halloween section and find the skull and crossbone ice cube trays. They're the cutest things ever, okay? And I'm going to add those to the drinks, and then I'm going to add the ingredients that we mentioned before. I'm going to add the candy, the gumballs, the eyes, the ears, all of that good stuff. And then I'm going to strain the beverage on top of the ice. And after adding some finishing touches, making sure everything looks how you want it to look, you have created the Witch's Brew Winetail. I know that's right, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you get to create this for your friends or family, or you know, you can just make 5 for yourself and chill on the couch. I'm not here to judge you, okay? But this is my favorite season, so all month long, you're gonna be seeing very Halloween festive type of videos, so I hope you're ready for it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.